It's going to be all right, Mother. Any day now he's going to be walking up our front walkway once again. Just wait.
Nice Thunderbird. But he really wants the GT. You know that.
I do know that, but I don't know where we're going to find $35,000 to pay for it. Well, $34,499 to be exact.
What? No! I told him to call from the airport.
I guess he wanted to surprise us.
Well, mission accomplished.
Excuse me, is this the White residence?
Yes.
Damn, just lost a bet. Well, I figured whoever was getting this would have been long gone by now. It was originally mailed from India about a year ago.
Wow, it's for him. Wow, Uncle Hebert.
Oh my God.
Uncle Hebert? Did he used to live on a desert island?
For all we know, no one's heard from him in like forever. I can only imagine where this has been for the last 10 years.
Well, I'm glad to be rid of it. It's been giving me the heebie-jeebies since I loaded it on the truck this morning. Like driving around with a corpse. Sorry. No filter. Have a nice day.
Should we open it?
That's addressed to Tyler.
Yeah, but Uncle Hebert, he was so, how can I put this nicely? Weird, you know?
Yeah, but let's let Tyler open it. To Uncle Hebert, the last of the great white hunters. He always did want to go off the grid, you know.
No credit cards, no phones. That's what he wanted, right?
Yeah, but I'm still trying to think of the last time anybody's heard from him.
Well, if anybody asks, he made it to India. Suppose there's something, how do I say this, fucked up inside that box. Tyler's just coming back from war, honey, and...
Yeah, you never knew with Uncle Hebert. Okay, let's open it for Tyler just in case. Are you trying not to tear the paper?
It looks really old. It might be worth something.
Think it's worth $34,499?
All right. Calm down, you. Oh my
Holy
God.
Jesus!
Dear Tyler, I found this in an
Actual oddity shop in a small town whose name I already forgot. It is either charmed or cursed, depending on your translation of local dialect. The accompanying instructions translate as follows. By raising it in the air with your right hand, you may make 3 wishes upon it. But your wishes cannot be selfish, only practical. And whatever you do, do not wish in haste. The monkey's paw has seen many owners, and all have paid the ultimate price
for their human frailties. Oh my God. Tyler's gonna freaking love this.
Right, Uncle Hebert, you knocked him out of the park this time.
I can just see him putting it on that shelf in his room next to the abominable snowman shrine.
Thank you, Uncle Hebert, wherever you are. Yeah, but you know what? It's still no Mustang GT.
We could always help him with the down payment.
Yeah, but it's not the same as, having no payments.
He'd still have insurance.
No, we just put him on our plan.
Face it. Unless the money falls out of the sky.
I wish for $34,499. Oh, wow! Oh!
What the hell?
It moved! It moved in my hand, I'm telling you! Gotcha!
Asshole.
Tyler? Oh, you're
Can
not.
we help you?
Where's Tyler?
Mr. and Mrs. White,
Where's Tyler?
the Secretary of the Army has asked me to express his deep regret that your son Tyler was killed in action.
No.
The Secretary sends his deepest sympathies to you and your family in this tragic loss. The Casualty Assistance Office will contact you in the next 24 hours.
Where's Tyler? What did you do with him? He should be walking up our walkway.
I am also instructed to deliver this enlistment bonus, which he was never able to claim. My sympathies and the thanks of a grateful nation are with you, Mr. and Mrs. White.
No. No! Where's Tyler? You bring him back here! Do you hear me?
Mother, let's go back inside.
No, we can't. Not without my Tyler. You bring him back here! Do you hear me?
Mrs. White, your son is a hero. He jumped on a live explosive, saving the lives of his entire platoon. He did not die in vain.
How could it be for that exact amount? Why?
You know why?
Because of that thing. Because of you. We've got 2 left.
What?
2 wishes.
No fucking way.
I mean, what the hell?
Neither of us is making one more wish on this cursed paw.
God damn it!
Please don't. Please don't. What do you think's gonna happen next? Tyler's gone, but we still have so much to lose. I love you.
I love you too.
Let's get some sleep. Let's get some sleep.
I wish Tyler would come back home.
Mother! Mother! No, Mother, no! Stop! Told you not to make any more wishes!
To hell with what you told me. I want my son back.
Your son isn't coming back! What's coming back is something you don't want to come back! Give it to me!
Go away!
I wish Tyler back to the grave and a peace forever!